going back with this type thing, going back with this. We make arguments.
This is important. Go ahead.
We make arguments, but we make these arguments where we don't believe in integrity enough of these arguments to go to length to find out whether they're true or not. We'll just stick with what we think. Right. Because we're more interested in the argument. You're not interested in knowing. That's one problem I've always had. I always had a problem. I always wanted to know. I didn't want to be right. That didn't have no bearing on me. I didn't want to teach nobody.
Just want to know.
I want to know. People say, how the hell you get to be the lecturer? Because I didn't want to teach nobody. Motherfuckers in Atlanta made me lecture. No, goddamn, your ass gonna lecture. Here, sign this book. Put this doggone lecture down. We're gonna do this shit on the 27th of June.